The history of ventilation goes back several millennia. The Blauberg Group has made significant contribution to a century of production and has largely determined its course. The time for changes has come. The time has come for technology to take a fresh look at the world around us. The time has come when technology is linked to the concept of comfort. The Blauberg Group is a global player in the ventilation industry. We present a wide range of ventilation solutions so that our customers can gain access to international best practices and standards in the fields of domestic, industrial, and commercial ventilation. Today, the Blauberg Group consists of 9 brands and 17 sub-brands with 9 modern production facilities in various countries and 22 offices in different continents. We are active in 124 countries. Innovations. The group's philosophy is to be innovative and high-tech. Six R&D centers in Germany, China, Ukraine, and Russia, and 13 test laboratories in different countries. More than 300 engineers and technicians with expertise in cutting-edge technology provide innovative leadership, quality, and reliability to our customers. Full cycle of production. In order to guarantee control and high-quality standards, we have implemented a full production cycle from components to assembly. The driving force of our business growth is the fact that the Blauberg Group creates products that combine innovative technology and modern designs. Modern equipment. The company's production facilities are equipped with modern equipment to create ventilation systems of any degree and any complexity. The latest equipment allows us to be ahead of time and create aesthetics that makes the heart beat faster. Leadership. We explore new possibilities, follow the path of innovation, implement advanced scientific developments, and improve technology. We are based on strong products of excellent quality. Production facilities. The Blauberg Group is constantly expanding its production capacity, improving logistics, and developing a network of representatives so that customers can receive quality products in good time all over the world. Optimization of business processes. In addition to the modern equipment, we are constantly improving our manufacturing process. The implementation of lean production and Kaizen management strategies aims at the continuous optimization of production processes so that all activities are focused on creating maximum value for the customer. Excellent quality. Continuous improvement of all engineering processes, strict quality assurance at all stages, active implementation of innovative technologies, and the improvement of customer benefits. All this gives the Blauberg Group an international reputation and makes it synonymous with quality without compromise. Operation speed. The latest equipment, a modern warehouse, and an automated logistics system ensure that all business processes work optimally together with the quality of the management system. The products of Blauberg Group are modern, reliable, and user-friendly, and meet the worldwide requirements for quality, energy efficiency, and safety. We are committed to ensuring that the users of our products around the world breathe clean and fresh air, experience maximum comfort, and have the perfect conditions for fulfilling themselves and achieving life's goals. It's important to us that everyone has the opportunity to do their business, learn and work, love and enjoy, raise children and support their families, and live life to the fullest without having to worry about the air we breathe. Together, we create life.